I'm Samir.
I'm Caitlin, and this is Taria. She's 2 months old.
My name is Yvette, and I'm a first-time mom. The Kiinde Kozii is the safe, fast, and beautifully simple way to warm breast milk, formula, or food in any container. Kozii has an integrated water reservoir.
The integrated reservoir in the Kozii helps eliminate those late-night trips to the sink.
With the Kozii, the process is simple.
Reach into the fridge, grab a bottle, and stick it in the Kozii, and set the time.
When the timer is set, the water in the reservoir is warmed and pumped into the chamber, circulating around the container and flowing back into the reservoir through the overflow drain. With the Kozii, I have the confidence that all the nutrients in my breast milk are going to be protected.
When the timer runs out, Kozii shuts off and water is drained from the chamber, eliminating any risk of overheating.
The water in the Kozii is the same temperature as warm tap water, so it eliminates the risk of hot spots. Safe Heat, the Kozii method of breast milk warming, uses a swirling low-temperature water bath to safely but quickly warm your baby's meal. The flowing water in the chamber promotes heat transfer, resulting in very fast warming times at safe warming temperatures. Kozii is designed to specifically follow CDC guidelines to safely thaw and warm breast milk using warm flowing water. Using the warmer is safe and convenient for any type of bottle or breast milk storage bag.
We like the Kozii because it makes life easier for our little one and for us.
We received a Baby Brezza Safe and Smart Bottle Warmer to review, and it's made bottle warming so nice. It's a handy little machine that's super easy to use. It works for breast milk to preserve nutrients and also works well for milk and formula. You can even use it to defrost frozen breast milk safely or warm up baby food jars. To use it, you just plug it in and turn it on. Make sure the water fill line matches up with the milk in the bottle. Then, you can use the free Baby Brezza app on your phone to connect to your Baby Brezza bottle warmer via Bluetooth and adjust the settings based on how many ounces and if the water is cold or room temperature. This tells the machine to warm the bottle to the perfect safe temperature for your baby. You can choose between gradual warming or quick warming if you're in a hurry. While you wait, you can hang out with your baby and check the screen on your phone to let you know how much time is left, and when the bottle is ready for your baby, it'll sound an alarm. As soon as the bottle is ready for your baby, your phone will beep along with the machine. That's it, and now baby's bottle is ready for a feeding. You can use the bottles you already have, or you can get theirs. If you don't have a smartphone, the Baby Brezza bottle warmer will also work manually. You can adjust the settings on the machine like this.